My name is Luke Jericho, and on behalf... By the way, the Marines use those as well. That comes in with P-51, the only individual. Now, Scott Yoke, call sign Scooter, is going to be cleared. Brett was in that TV series.
And just type that in salt, maybe. In Vietnam, a Desert Storm.
You do. The speed is ours American. 51 Mustang, all on value, starting up to the neck. Nice manner. So, aircraft carrier, and there you can see the tail hooked down. Special Curtis Pitts in biplane. It a little purple haze brought to you by sportsmoke.com. It in very patriotic colors. And again, the man I just talked about was done.
Narrow. And Huey, number 2, has been after that destructive.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is not easy gift. Now that would normally be a high drag ships out of the sea, and they have actual camera footage as they're keep the airplane straight down the center of the aircraft carrier. Now, in addition to being used for air shows, as you will see with another one at the Reno National Championship Air Races. Sometimes called a leg turn, it's a change of heading airspeed and the flying eyes of our cousins and our sisters and brothers and our parents. See the photo pass and look at the overlapping wings and the minor distance between all 4 members of the team.